So today I am here to check out updates on our house and come see how crazy it looks in here. Starting with all this mess outside. All right, coming into the house and look at that. All this mess right here. Wait till you see what the kitchen looks like, y'all. Come here. Come see this. War zone. Look at this. This is what I call a war zone. I need to have like a hard hat when I come in this place today. The amount of work that's been done in here is... Ah, babe, what are you doing? You stepping on all the tiles?
No, I'm trying to move and I hear pops.
You're stepping on all the tiles and they're like cracking. My love, you have to stop now. Okay, there. The rubble that is going on in here is out of this world because we're breaking all the tiles on the wall because they're really ugly. They look like bathroom tiles. I'm sorry, I can't do that. So that's what this looks like. Come this way. And then all of this. Oh, let me show you guys upstairs. Come on. Let me show you what upstairs looks like. We're doing some painting here. That's why everything is like lined up. Come on. The second floor looks pretty decent, right? Like it's not that bad. It looks pretty decent. Still a lot of rubble. Come check out this room. So they're done painting in this room. As you can see, the walls look actually really pretty. They're done painting the walls here. We kept everything white. And look at this. The rest of the construction zone. So do you see why I say I need a hard hat when walking through this house? This is the reason why. Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, there's some more work that's being done up here as well. And hold on, I'm gonna come through this way. Excuse me. Come check it out. So this is the primary bedroom, right? There was a lot of work that needs to be done. There's a lot of leaks in there, so we had to do the bathroom. So right now I have somebody in there who's working on the bathroom floor. Come here, let me show you this. Come here, come see this. So talk about, look at that, look at the floor. Look at that. Look at how crazy all of this looks. So that's what that looks like. And this place is basically a war zone. But there is hope and there's light at the end of the tunnel. I can't wait till everything's done and I can just come out here and chill like this in my balcony and look out. There's still been construction on the other houses here too, so. But I can't wait till all of this is done. And I just come here, put some chairs out here, chill, and enjoy my balcony. Anyway, that's the update for now. Peace out.